1. What is the correct mechanic when a fair ball is hit down the left field line with no runners on base? A. Point foul with the left arm. B. Point fair with the right arm and pivot to follow the ball. C. Remain stationary and observe the play. D. Signal time and wait for a call from the base umpire. 2. Which of the following results in an immediate dead ball? A. Foul tip. B. Balk. C. Batter's interference. D. Runner leaves base early on a tag-up. 3. A batter squares to bunt and pulls back without offering. The pitch hits the bat and rolls into fair territory. What is the correct call? A. Foul ball. B. Fair ball. C. Strike. D. Dead ball. 4. What is the infield fly rule intended to prevent? A. Injuries due to poor communication. B. Intentional drops to create double plays. C. Delays due to replay challenges. D. Batter interfering with catcher throws. 5. During a tag play at home, what must the plate umpire focus on primarily? A. Foot placement of the catcher. B. Whether the tag was applied. C. Base runner slide technique. D. Location of the ball in the field. 6. Which umpire typically has responsibility for calling a catch in short center field? A. Plate umpire. B. First base umpire. C. Second base umpire. D. Third base umpire. 7. A pitcher starts their motion but stops halfway without throwing. What is the call with runners on base? A. Strike. B. No call. C. Balk. D. Delay of game. 8. Which of the following would result in the batter being declared out? A. Batter steps out of the box as the pitch is released. B. Batter runner interferes with a fielder attempting to field a batted ball. C. Batter fails to drop the bat after bunting. D. Batter does not run after ball contact. 9. When should an umpire use a point and verbal signal? A. When awarding first base on a walk. B. To indicate an infield fly. C. To indicate a foul ball. D. To signal safe at home. 10. If a live ball lodges in the outfield fence and becomes unplayable, what is the proper ruling? A. Live ball, runners may advance at own risk. B. Ground rule double. C. Automatic triple. D. Home run. 11. What is the correct procedure if a coach argues a judgment call? A. Reverse the call if asked. B. Ignore the coach. C. Allow the coach to express concerns, then warn if it becomes excessive. D. Immediately eject the coach. 12. Which rule governs the re-entry of a starting player in amateur baseball? A. May re-enter once at any position. B. Cannot re-enter under any circumstance. C. May re-enter only as a pitcher. D. May re-enter only in the same batting position. 13. In a two-umpire system, who covers third base on a steal from second? A. Plate umpire. B. Base umpire. C. Both umpires. D. First base coach. 14. What action is required if the batter hits a ground ball and runs inside the baseline toward first base? A. No penalty. B. Batter is out for interference. C. Batter is awarded second base. D. Call time and reset play. 15. What is the proper call when a runner misses home plate but does not attempt to return and the defense appeals? A. Safe. B. Out on appeal. C. Dead ball. D. No call. 16. Which of the following best describes obstruction? A. Fielder impedes a runner without possession of the ball. B. Runner interferes with the fielder fielding a batted ball. C. Catcher blocks the plate with possession. D. Batter swings late. 17. What signal is used for timeout? A. Arm extended forward. B. Fists at chest level. C. Both arms extended overhead. D. Open palm facing pitcher. 18. Which of the following is a judgment call that cannot be protested? A. Infield fly rule. B. Fair foul call. C. Illegal substitution. D. Batting out of order. 19. The umpire crew should conduct a pregame conference with coaches to A. Decide batting order. B. Review ground rules and lineup cards. C. Select the game ball. D. Review the strike zone. 20. If a player is ejected, what documentation is the umpire responsible for? A. No documentation is needed. B. Informing the scorekeeper only. C. Completing an ejection report for the governing body. D. Notifying the announcer. 21. A checked swing is primarily determined by A. The batter's wrist position. B. The bat crossing the front of the plate. C. The batter's intention. D. The coach's reaction. 22. During a ground rule double, how many bases are awarded? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. 23. If the ball hits the batter in the strike zone, what is the ruling? A. Hit by pitch, batter awarded first base. B. Ball. C. Dead ball, strike. D. Batter out. 24. When is it appropriate for an umpire to reverse a call? A. When the crowd disagrees. B. When asked by a player. C. After consultation with crew and new information is presented. D. Only between innings. 25. What is the umpire's main responsibility regarding player safety? A. Limiting pitch counts. B. Ensuring field equipment is functional. C. Enforcing rules and removing dangerous behavior. D. Coaching proper technique. The Umpire Certification Test. The Umpire Certification Test is a standardized assessment designed to evaluate an individual's knowledge, judgment, and application of the rules governing a specific sport, such as baseball, softball, or other competitive games. The test ensures that aspiring or current umpires possess the necessary skills to make fair, consistent, and informed decisions during live gameplay. It typically covers rules interpretation, game management, positioning, signaling, and conflict resolution. Candidates must demonstrate a clear understanding of rulebooks, safety protocols, and officiating mechanics. Certification through this test is often required by leagues and associations to maintain a high standard of officiating and ensure the integrity and smooth operation of games at various levels of competition. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the Umpire Certification Exam. 1. Standardized knowledge validation. The exam ensures all certified umpires have a uniform understanding of game rules and officiating protocols, reducing inconsistencies during gameplay. 2. Improved game integrity. Certified umpires contribute to fairer competition by enforcing rules accurately and confidently, enhancing the integrity of sports events. 3. Career advancement. Passing the certification opens doors to officiating at higher levels, including regional, national, or professional leagues, increasing job opportunities and credibility. 4. Enhanced game management skills. The exam prepares umpires to handle on-field conflicts, manage player behavior, and maintain control under pressure. 5. League and team assurance. Certification assures leagues and teams that officials are qualified and reliable, promoting smoother operations and greater trust in game outcomes.